In the remote jungles near Assam's river basin, danger often hides beneath the calm of morning mist.
The reticulated python, a silent hunter, can crush life in seconds. A mother's cry travels farther than any alarm.
Wildlife Rescue Unit, Delta Team.
Delta Team, train for the most dangerous life rescues in South Asia.
Python is too big. If the baby is still alive, time is too short. But
A full stomach makes the giant slow, but even more unpredictable. For Delta Team, this moment is the line between life and death. It's resting, belly heavy. Proceed carefully.
Even weakened, a python this large can break bones with a single twist. Hold it down. Steady.
Cutting open a python's stomach is a race against internal collapse and the clock. The less open, the safer. Get ready to pull the baby.
Sometimes, the jungle writes miracles in the unlikeliest moments.
Sometimes, the jungle writes miracles in the unlikeliest moments.
In the wild, survival is never guaranteed. But courage, instinct, and human compassion can change destiny.
A rescue doesn't end when the victim is pulled out. The night often decides who survives. If this kid survives until morning, then he's a real fighter.
Even the predator suffers, crushing a prey that large damages its own organs.
A mother never forgets the shadow that tried to steal her child.
With the mild smell of baby in his nose, he's trying to identify.
Rescue is only complete when nature returns to balance.
Even a predator deserves the right to heal, as long as the balance of the wild is preserved.
Every mission adds a new page to the history of human courage.
In the eternal struggle of the wild, there are no villains, only survivors fighting for their place on Earth.
When a rescue ends, the jungle slowly reclaims its rhythm, as if nothing ever happened.
Every rescue teaches, every survivor inspires.
Today's odds operation proves life is
A mother carries the memory of fear, but also the strength to move forward.
A mother carries the memory of fear, but also the strength to move forward.
A predator, given a second chance, must now earn its place back in the wild. The tracker shows the anaconda has reached a...
They are the unsung guardians of the wild, risking everything to protect life in all its forms.
Another mission, another life saved.
In this world, survival is not just a battle. It is a story written by instinct, courage, and the fragile...
Fuck on out.
The jungle never sleeps, and danger never repeats the same way.
Delta Team, unusual movement detected 3 miles north.
Where one predator lurks, another is never far behind. Sir!
Hold positions. Don't spook it.
A predator larger than any recorded in this region. A true giant of the wild.
Sometimes rescue is not extraction, it's prevention.
Brace! Shield wall!
Between man and predator, the line is thin, and the stakes are everything. The new danger has been...
Where danger rises, protectors rise higher.
This jungle is now the territory of 2 giant snakes. Our work...
Mapping a jungle isn't about drawing lines, it's about discovering hidden dangers that breed.
Sir, it looks like this is the nesting zone of the...
A python's nest is both a cradle and a battlefield.
That means more danger ahead. We are now in a real jungle battlefield.
In the silence of the undergrowth, a watching predator waits to strike. A massive body.
Training takes over where fear freezes the mind.
Target eyes, disoriented, ready. N-O-W.
2 snakes, both are here.
In the silence of the undergrowth, a watching predator waits to strike. Training takes over where fear freezes the mind.
Target eyes, disoriented. Ready, N-O-W.
2 snakes. Both of them are here.
A rare scenario. Twin apex predators defending the same ground. This is bigger than we thought. To defeat giants, strategy must be larger than fear. The team decided. One will be moved away with a...
When the line between hunter and hunted blurs, courage draws the boundary.
Tonight, we face both giants.
The jungle at night becomes a living maze, and every step could be the last.
Perfect. One group left flank, one group right flank. No noise.
The first python must be pushed away before the second one reacts. Suddenly, the bushes burst open. A 30-foot giant python raised its head.
A python this size doesn't flee, it chooses a different battleground.
GPS zone clear. It's out of the village boundary.
Luring a 26-foot python is a gamble between strategy and pure luck.
Hold, not yet.
In rescues like this, seconds decide destiny.
3, 2, 1, trigger! Contain!
When danger is removed, the jungle regains its breath.
2 giants controlled. 1 fragile ecosystem saved. In the relentless theater of the wild, courage writes the stories that tomorrow remembers.